to another video. We're running up a vlog today. We don't run up too many of these, but when we do, it means something cool is happening over at the shop or somewhere with the guys. So today we have a 992 GT3 coming in for an exhaust system and an M4 CSL coming by later today. I think also for some exhaust bits, but let's get this 335i giveaway car cold started and then we'll catch you guys over at the shop. Scan that QR code. Another day, another cold start. It's loud, bro, it's super loud. This car actually is on a valve system, so it does have that remote. You can go valves closed or valves open. Holy shit, it's blurry. Like I was saying, you could go valves closed or valves open. I run it open all the time, because why not? If you guys haven't seen all the videos we've done on this 335i, it's an absolute bucket, or it was. We got it for super cheap. We fully built the car on our YouTube channel, and now we're giving it away. So head over to our channel, check out those videos, because we put a lot of time into it, and they're definitely some bangers. And this car is super fun, bro. I will tell you that I have way more fun in this manual single turbo 335i than I've ever had in any car ever. 800 horsepower G80s, all that stuff. This car beats it any day, man. It's 10 times more fun. Is that a big turbo, dog? No mames.
No mames.
I swear, leave this car idling 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I'll go drive it. I'll drive all the way to the shop and it's still cold, bro. It's on like the second tick. It's running like super cold, but I guess that's just a thing with all these old N54s. But yeah, no, I absolutely love this thing. Insert a clip of me ripping by with that big single turbo. All right. For those who are gonna comment and say my trunk is open, it's not. The latch is just broken, guys. We're working on dialing this thing in. She drives around, but in the end of the day, she is 335i. But like I was telling you guys, today we have a GT3 coming to the shop. It's a 99. That manual life, bro, it's not easy to vlog. Like I was saying though, we have a 992 GT3 coming to the shop. Hold up, let me shift. For an exhaust, it's our boy Sharif. We did an exhaust on his last 992. Now he has a cooler spec one, so super excited to be a part of this one. And then, yeah, just a bunch of other cool stuff happening at the shop, but that GT3 is like the main thing. Alright guys, we're starting the GT3 up right now, and we're gonna hear how this thing sounds stock, and then we'll get some comparison clips after. Very nice, very nice.
Stock is
about to make it louder?
It's gonna sound crazy.
Yeah, no, it will. It already sounds pretty good. With that Cen-Cal Motorsport, not titanium, stainless steel crack pipe.
We're talking like crack coming out that motherfucker.
Crack's gonna be coming straight out the back of this thing, man.
That motherfucker gonna be spewing shit out the back, bro.
Look at this thing, guys. It is an insane spec. Has the black buckets.
I like the silver wheels.
The silver's nice, right?
Yeah.
It's a good spec.
I like it better than like a black wheel.
Yeah, the white is still tough. The white one, the white 92. But like this is just like a crazy car, you know?
I feel like a bronze wheel on the white would be tough.
And here it is, guys, the new system that we're throwing on this 992 GT3. We previously did a system on this customer's last GT3. We're on to a new one, and we did change a few things. Last time on this center section, we did a full valve muffler setup. This time we did a crack pipe setup, so no valve muffler, just straight through with that X pipe there. And then also on our headers here, we went ahead and did the heat shield on the whole entire thing. So just kind of improving every time we can, but this thing's gonna sound insane. You know, we had to get the gold tips with the flat cut single wall. It's a necessity on all our systems. That paint to sample GT3, super tough. Nick's about to get this system on and see how it sounds. You hype, Nick?
I'm looking for my extension though. We let Ransom put the tools back. Here it is. Look at that. That's a good home for it, huh?
Yeah, that's a good home for it.
Yeah. We're about to pop this under tray off and then let it cool down a little bit because it's hot as right now.
Yeah.
So we'll see what's good.
Let's get it. That Cen-Cal tee's tough, bro. Where did you get that?
These bolts are all frostbited in there, so I have to fucking shock them. They're all seized up. Look at this, bro. Look right there. You see how rusted they are?
Yup.
So 19,000 miles.
If you buy the merch, you will get entered to win this insane 992 GT3.
He's lying.
You guys heard Bryce. Head over to the link in the description where you can enter to win this 992 GT3. This is not a scam.
Spec is really good, guys. This exterior color with the wheels, and then also the interior when the car's down on the ground. I'll show you guys the interior, but it has black buckets with the green accents. Nick's blasting his country music, but yeah, it has it's that full like color scheme in the inside with the green like secondary color. And it's super, super tough. This is like a top 992 GT3 spec, and a lot of people actually like the non-RS better. I think it's sleek, it's clean, you can't go wrong. I mean, it's a GT3 bro, so let's keep plugging away at this exhaust and see how it sounds. I didn't show you guys, but this is the stock exhaust system, super restrictive. We have a huge catalytic converter right here, but don't worry guys, this car is off-road use. It's on the track only, so no worries there. We're not taking off cats for road use. Anyways, back to this. Yeah, so these are the stock headers, the catalytic converter right there, goes into this rear section, has a super restrictive muffler, and we're basically taking all that out and making it sound good. Woo! Like it should from factory.
Yeah, literally.
Woo! The system's pretty much out. We're getting there. Haven't picked up the vlog camera in a bit. This guy chipped his tooth. He's crying about it, but he's all right.
The hose ain't gonna love me no more.
No, but we just have to get this driver's side header out. But look how restrictive these things are, man. Gotta open this thing up for the track use, of course. We're getting there. Pretty soon we'll be throwing up that Cen-Cal system, and it's gonna look a lot prettier than this super ugly restrictive system. I'm hyped. I'm hyped to hear it.
It's so tight, bro. What the fuck is Porsche doing
You're
from factory? Wow. You're a freak, you know that?
Mark 5 freak, where you at? Hey, Mark 5 freak, if you're watching this, shout out you, my boy.
Shout out you, my boy.
Freak.
I be licking my mustache for you, my brother. Like, I'm strong and that is tight.
You wish you were strong.
Wow. That's all you do. You just fucking do it.
Fucking do it, mate. What's the torque spec?
Yes.
I just wanna lose control.
GT3 exhaust.
I just wanna lose control.
So as you guys can see, we just started up the GT3 for the first time. It sounds really good. I think we got some clips on Jess's camera as well, but we're gonna get this thing buttoned up. We have to put the under tray on, a few other things, then we're gonna take it over the spot, see how this thing sounds, but so far so good. The system sounds really great. It's taken us all day, but we're taking our time. It's a damn near $300,000 car, so we're blessed to be able to work on stuff like this, be a part of builds like this. If you have a GT3, tap in with us because we are working on a lot of stuff behind the scenes, as you can see.
Yes, sir.
Look what pulled up, guys. M4 CSL. This thing's crazy. Just like definitely one of the craziest BMWs made. All the little details about it, but we're throwing an axle back on this car. Like I was saying, this customer came in for a mid-pipe a while back. Just a single mid-pipe that we do on like all the G8Xs. And then he wanted a little bit more out of it, so we're doing a stainless valved axle back. So we're gonna throw that on in a bit. I think we're gonna go do sound clips with the GT3. That thing's loud, bro. It's gonna scream. So I'll catch you guys over there. 992 GT3 is such a good car, guys. Like, genuinely one of my favorite cars. So many people love the car, so many people hate on the car. It's seriously just a great driver's car. It sounds great, it looks great. I mean, it's tough to pull up in, and that thing sounds great. So, like I said, all you 992 owners, tap in with us, man. We got a lot of stuff cooking up for these cars. Maybe a carbon kit soon too. Working on developing our own design. A bunch of good stuff in the works. So super excited to show you guys all that stuff.
Yes, sir. You look good in there, bro. I do? You might have to get one.
Might have to. Long day or no?
Smack him.
I'm just trying to get him to crash out. That one was a little easier, Nick? Yeah. You freak. Rice looking good in that CSL.
There you guys have it. That is a wrap on a super solid day. That GT3 exhaust sounds so crazy. I didn't really film too many reactions. We were just trying to get that clip, but that launch clip sounds insane. It literally shoots flames out the back. It shot a flame when he launched it and on the shift. Yeah, that thing sounds absolutely insane. And then the M4 CSL, that's always a good car to get some content of, work on. Again, two super solid cars that we're super excited to be a part of. But yeah, that's our goal, is to be a part of builds with cars that are on that next level, you know? So if you want us to be a part of your build, you want to work together, hit us up, we'll work something out. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching another vlog, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.